Have you ever looked at your bookshelf and thought it feels messy, uninspiring, or completely out of place? What if that vertical blank canvas could become the living centerpiece of your room, blending storage, display, and design in one beautiful package? Whether you're a bookworm eager to showcase your collection or a design lover who sees a shelf as a stage, this video will guide you through transformative bookshelf design ideas. You'll learn to style open shelving, integrate lighting, mix materials, personalize displays, hide clutter, and adapt your strategy to small spaces, kids' rooms, built-ins, rentals, and more. By the end, you'll see how a well-designed shelf is more than storage. It's a storytelling element, a cozy vibe, and a functional statement all at once.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the first step to visualize and plan a bookshelf that fits your style and space? Planning is the foundation of all great design. Measure your wall's width and height precisely, then sketch or mock up options that balance vertical lines with horizontal shelves. Consider whether you need floor-to-ceiling units, a floating shelf cluster, or a leaner ladder-style design. Think about traffic flow and how the shelf integrates visually with other elements. Should it be a feature wall or blend with trim and wall color? Next, decide on function. Do you need hidden compartments for paperwork, open sections for decor, or child-proof zones? Finally, define your aesthetic. Are you aiming for modern minimalism with crisp lines and white finish? Or an organic vibe with reclaimed wood and staggered shelf heights? Investing time in this planning stage ensures your shelving not only fits the room, but also supports your lifestyle and decorating vision. If this fuels your planning energy, like and share to spread design inspiration. How can you mix books and decor artfully to avoid visual clutter? Combining books and decor requires visual rhythm and thoughtful layering. Start by arranging books both vertically and horizontally. Stacked books allow you to place a sculptural object or vase on top as a focal point. Leave empty space intentionally around clusters to give the eye room to rest. Use header books, taller volumes on each shelf's ends to frame the display. Alternate materials, group glossy covers with matte ceramics, smooth wood bowls with textured woven baskets. Include about one decor item for every 6 to 7 books. This ratio prevents overload and keeps books accessible. Finally, repeat styles or color groups vertically so each shelf relates subtly to the one above it. The result is curated, functional, and surprisingly restful to the eye. Let me know in the comments which blend you loved most: books, boxes, or baskets. What kind of lighting can elevate a bookshelf from functional to spectacular? Good lighting transforms a shelf from dark storage to vibrant showcase. Install LED strip lighting along the undersides of each shelf to highlight titles and decor while creating soft glow. Choose warm tones to preserve book spines and ambience. Add battery-powered puck lights above display niches or spot fixed-up lights that illuminate art pieces. For built-in shelving, recessed downlights on the framing can give the classiest gallery feel. Consider an integrated plug-in rail light that shines across the top for a classic library look. When flicked on, these warm highlights reveal texture, brass, fabric wear, drawing the eye in. Layering lighting like this makes a shelf feel editorial and lived in simultaneously. For exactly the lights showcased here, check the product links in the description. How do different materials and finishes shape the mood of your bookshelf? Material choice defines character. A built-in unit with high-gloss white paint feels modern, clean, and light-reflecting, ideal for minimalist spaces. In contrast, rough oak shelves or reclaimed pine in staggered planks suggest rustic charm and warmth. For contemporary drama, black metal frames with dark-stained wood shelves give bold structure. Adding glass doors to mid-sections creates display windows while reducing dust. Floating shelves in natural walnut run the eye across the room elegantly. Even plywood shelving edge-treated in birch veneer gives Scandinavian simplicity. Choose the material and finish that match your room's larger palette. Maybe matte to camouflage, maybe glossy to pop. When done right, the shelf doesn't just hold things, it enhances the entire design scheme. Search the playlist for material pairings to find curated finishes that perfect shelf styling. What organizational systems keep a diverse shelf collection tidy and readable? To keep your collection both functional and beautiful, develop systems that support browsing and variety. Use bookends to maintain structure along horizontal books, or consider modular dividers to keep vertical books upright. Apply color coding, alphabetical grouping, or genre categories so finding a read feels intuitive. Reserve lower shelves for heavy books and higher shelves for lighter decor objects. Add storage bins or baskets on the bottom shelf to conceal cables, chargers, or magazines that don't need display. Integrated drawers or cabinets behind doors can hide clutter while preserving your aesthetic. Finally, label shelf zones discreetly, maybe on the inside edge of the shelf, so your organizational system is elegant yet efficient. These small systems make a large shelf manageable, enjoyable, and easy to maintain. How can you retrofit a rental space with stylish, non-damaging shelving? Renters can have shelving without holes or commitment. Use freestanding ladder shelves filled with decor. leaving 2 in gaps on each side per fire code. Apply damage-free wall anchors to hang lightweight floating shelves. Use 2 per section and keep them under weight limits. Harness tension pole corner shelf kits that wedge between floor and ceiling. Install safely without drilling. Repurpose over door shoe organizers. Turn pockets inside out to hold books or boxed goods. Attach book ledges to walls using 3 million strips rated for your load. These fixes let you style and store as you please, without risking your security deposit, and still give your room character and function. How do you personalize shelving to reflect lifestyle and memories? What sets your shelf apart is personal narrative. Feature travel finds on a mid-level shelf, like ceramic bowls from a trip, framed local photography, or souvenirs. Display family photo albums predominantly placed near eye level for ease of retrieving memories. Add plants, like air plants in hanging pods or a potted sculptural succulent, to bring texture and live energy. Introduce sentimental items, won first-place medals, vintage toys, or heirloom collectibles, on little pedestals or among book stacks so they stand proud. Mix in functional items, a favorite candle, a meaningful journal, or your current reading stack. Rotate these items so the shelf evolves with your story. Personal touches make a shelf feel alive. A snapshot of who you are, what you've seen, and what you treasure. What styling strategies make small spaces look larger through shelving? In small rooms, shelving must stretch spatial perception. Use full-width floating shelves running across windows and walls to visually widen the space. Leave areas beneath shelves open so sightlines pass across the room. Bare space at hips softens edges. Store small objects in monochromatic bins to maintain visual calm. Integrate mirror-backed shelving or include reflective artifacts, glass vases, metal frames, to bounce light outward. Keep decor minimal. Rotate a meme-sized art piece on one shelf, leaving others for the structure to breathe. Try asymmetrical heights, higher shelves with tall items balanced by emptier, smaller items below to draw the eye downward and create optical depth. These placement choices trick the eye into seeing openness in tight spaces. Bookshelves are so much more than storage. They're storytelling stages, mood makers, display galleries, organizational aids, and style statements all at once. When you approach them thoughtfully, planning for structure and scale, styling contents with rhythm, adding light and texture, aiding access and organization, and integrating personal touches, you turn plain storage into something unforgettable. Whether you're working with rentals, kids, large walls, or tight spaces, your shelves can reflect your taste, enhance your room's feel, spark joy, and make your belongings sing. Take one idea here and run with it. Your shelf transformation will echo well beyond your room's 4 walls.